This is Miss Hostetler. I am going to go over the assignment for changing the font, which was February 3rd, February 4th. This is a video for you to watch and to be able to do this. So you want to go into Canvas, Intro to Computer Science, and you can click on 203, 204 where you change the font. And or there is also the assignment where you will be turning it in. Essentially what we are doing is we are going to add to the code pen that we used to change the colors. So you should have already completed I am red, I am blue, I am green, I am purple. And so if so, you're going to go back into code pen and you're going to find that, and then you're going to add to your HTML area, and I'll show you where you will get that. I have it all typed up, and you will place it underneath but before the body and the closing HTML. So I'm going to show you, if you go into 203, 204, scroll down to lesson activities and highlight these 6 sentences. All right, it says add the text below to your HTML area in CodePen. So you're going to highlight it and you're going to copy it, and then you're going to go into CodePen and you're going to put the cursor and make some space, and then you're going to paste it right underneath those headings of 4 colors, and it shall look like this, where you will have an area where you are then going to add in exactly what I'm going to teach you. So notice all of these sentences are in the same type. We're going to change them, and I have placed a name of a font in each sentence. They're different: Courier, New, Veranda, Sans Serif, Fantasy, Cursive, and Arial. So this is something that people do. When you want to make something dynamic, you can definitely make it stand out by changing the types of fonts, okay? And so that's what we're going to do. We are going to play around with 6 different sentences, and you are going to have to put in the correct HTML style tag in that opening paragraph. So right between that P and that end of that arrow, you're going to put in what I'm going to teach you, and they will change. And it will look like this. At the end, they will all look different. So first thing I want to tell you is that we are doing in style changes. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because there's 3 different ways to do it: in style, embedded, and external. And this to me is confusing. So I just want you to know our type is inline style, which means with that opening tag of heading or paragraph, we're putting a space and we're typing style equals quotation. So in style is in that opening tag, where the other 2, there's different ways. So let's go through this. First thing you want to do is you want to go into modules. We are in the 5th week. I'm going to click on 203. I am going to say we're going to utilize a problem-solving approach to developing a solution. The learning target is for you to be able to change the font. And once again, I have exactly what we're doing. We're doing style equals quotation, and today we're going to put font dash family colon, okay? Some of these videos, they don't do the in style. So just follow what I'm doing right now. Make sure you go in the template for 203, 204. go down into lesson activities and highlight what I'm highlighting. Highlight and then copy, open up CodePen, go to your work, find your last assignment that you worked on. Okay, so then you're going to want to pull down these boxes because you don't need that. Go right underneath what we did last time, put the cursor there and hit enter. Make some space, and then you're going to paste what we just highlighted from that module. Okay, so notice I can see my stuff pretty good because I've gone over to change view. It's normally like this. If I go into change view, you have 3 options, and I really like this left one. So here, the biggest thing is that you need to understand that they are all different, and so you have to pay attention to what you're typing. So please understand you're going to start by putting the cursor between the P and that arrow and that opening tag, and you hit space. And you are going to type in style equals and then quotation. When you are using quotation, you should get them both and the cursor stays in the middle. If you're not getting quotation, you need to check your Chromebook keyboard and make sure it's on US. If you are trying to make that quotation thing and it's not working, it's because your Chromebook is not set up correctly. So make sure it's on US. So here I am. I am going to always do font dash family colon. That's going to be in every single sentence. But here is what's going to change. You're going to now put in what it states in that sentence. So I'm putting courier new, and then it shall change. And so honestly, you do not need to create the wheel. I mean, you just need to make sure you do this right. So you can do style equals quotation and keep in the family font with the colon, and you can copy that and go put it in by that paragraph opening. All right, but it's not going to be perfect because you then have to type in whatever is there. It's a veranda. And you have to add that last quotation mark if you do copy and paste. So notice if I take this quotation out, I have to add it. And the cool thing is the attribute is yellow, and then this font family style thing is green. Notice this too. See, this isn't right for some reason. So you are going to do each sentence as to what it is. So this is sans serif. So I put the cursor in the opening of the paragraph. I have to make a space. Style equals quotation. Inside that, I type font dash family colon space. Then I'm going to put in sans dash serif, and then it shall change. So once you get all of this changed, you will want to make sure that you save it, and then you click on that URL and you copy it, and then you're going to go into today's assignment. You're going to then hit submit, and you're going to paste that URL and you hit submit. All right, so please understand, first thing you have to do is open up the module, and you have to go into lesson activities and you have to highlight and copy. And then you're going to open up the last assignment and you're going to paste it underneath where you finished. So here, this is where you should be. If you don't have this done, then you need to go back to our assignments and you need to go watch the movie. If you want, you can go into modules, go up to the 201, 202. All right. Under success criteria, there is a video right here. If you missed class,
See the dots? They're the sales on which.
if you missed class due to I-step, obviously then you shouldn't have this done. So you will then go in to Tuesday's assignment and you will watch and see how to do this. But this is what we did on Thursday as well. So a lot of you are missing Tuesday and Thursday. So if you are missing Tuesday, please remember that there is a new template. There's a new template for this. Tuesday and Thursday is a new template. So if you do not have I am red, I am blue, I am green, I am purple, we learned how to use style equals quotation, color, colon, red, and we need, what we're missing is the semicolon. So I'm hoping this will help you.